Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA has reached the resistance area, and if you recall the last few videos, then I highlighted to you that I'm rather watching for further downside until the market gives me a reason to follow really the yellow wave count primarily. Both are likely, both are possible, but as long as we don't break above resistance, we don't really have the, let's say, clear confirmation that the bulls are taking control, because the white wave count allows for the interpretation that a B wave, which is a corrective wave, topped here around the 24th of August. Then we can say, okay, we have a wave 1 to the downside, which is wave 1 of C. This now is a corrective bounce in wave 2 of that C wave to the downside. The next move down could be a wave 3 of C, then a 4-5. So this 5-wave pattern to the downside is what we need to observe. The resistance area is between 35 cents and 37.8 cents, because a wave 2 shouldn't really move above it. It counts quite well as a 1-2 setup, but the wave 1 to the downside isn't impulsive. So be ready for surprises. That's just something, if the wave 1 is not an impulse, we always have to be ready for surprises. The wave 2 here to the upside then, in this case, looks corrective, however, which is in line with the white wave count. If this was an impulsive move up or something, and then we could be more clearly focused on the yellow count. So I need either the right structure or a break above resistance, and at the moment it's rather both leaning towards another low, towards the white scenario. And I cannot really give you a target yet for the third wave. That really depends a little bit on where the wave 2 tops. But if it's a wave 2, it should basically either have topped already when it hit the 50% retracement of the initial decline here that unfolded between the 24th of August and the 3rd of September. It reached that 50% retracement well, or it might stretch a little higher to 36.1 cents or 37.8, but then this should be the wave 2. And then from there, a third wave down could unfold. Further evidence that really the third wave is unfolding would be a 5-wave move down. I'm on high alert for any 5-wave patterns to the downside. There is nothing at the moment that would confirm that, however, but I'm on high alert for any 5-wave move down. And a break below, 30.4 cents, 30.3 cents, which is the swing low of the 6th of September, that would confirm further that the white count is unfolding, because we need a break of support, right? We need a break of support. The Friday low would be a good start. And then we have 29.8 cents and the 29-cent level as further, let's say, confirmation levels that the bears are taking the lead here. And this is pretty much the situation on the ADA chart, which means I'm open to the idea we could have bottomed in a larger wave 2 correction. Absolutely. I'm talking about the wave 2 that started obviously here in March. But the movements to the upside, they have been only 3-wave rallies. So it is not clearly bullish. There is much more work required to really confirm that scenario. Had the reaction to the 5th of August low been a 5-wave move, it is when the price reached that larger degree 78.6 retracement. Had it been a 5-wave move, it would be more clearly bullish. But with only 3 waves, I think I explained it yesterday, we just don't have a confirmation that this is an uptrend. It then always requires the larger 5-wave pattern. And here you can also see an ABC structure in wave 3. That's how it would unfold, and also in wave 5. So this is what I'm watching for at the moment. I'm basically on high alert for 5-wave movements to the downside. That would indicate the beginning of white wave 3 to the downside. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.